Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create a double face split effect. Open your main portrait and duplicate it. Now mask the left side of the face cleanly and place a different portraits under it for the second half. Now align both faces symmetrically. Use gradient mask for soft transitions. Now add a vertical dividing line between both sides. Use color balance to match tones. Paint shadows to enhance the split. Add glitch lines across the separation. Apply camera raw to sharpen details. Now add a cool background gradient for contrast. Use vibrance adjustment to finalize tone. Your dual face split effect is completely ready. Thanks for watching.